Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chase using ACH transfer to your bank step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Chase account using an ACH transfer, start by logging into your Chase online banking. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section to locate your available balances. Select the account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Next, look for the option labeled Transfer Money or Transfer Funds. Click on this option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to choose a transfer type, select ACH transfer or external transfer. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your check. You may need to add an external bank account if this is your first withdrawal. To do this, provide the required details for your external bank, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Verify the information you entered to ensure it is accurate. Once confirmed, select your external bank account as the destination for the transfer. Review all transfer details to confirm everything is correct. After verifying, click Submit to finalize the ACH transfer. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer request has been processed. Keep an eye on the transfer status, as the funds may take a few business days to appear in your external bank account. Remember to check both your Chase account and the external bank account to confirm the transaction. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn funds from Chase using an ACH transfer to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.